There's something special about hunting the rut in South Texas. It's why I moved to Texas. There's just nowhere else in the country where the whitetail rut is this intense. That brush country, these bucks are like ghosts. They vanish into the brush. And then appear on a sendero. One step into this thick brush and they just disappear. With these ranches being managed as intensely as they are, with these tight buck-to-doe ratios, it makes these deer callable. When the rut's in full swing, you can rattle, grunt, snort, wheeze, and have an opportunity to call a deer in just about every time you hit those horns together. That's a big deer. He's gonna have to stop. Just tell me when to stop. Right here. I'm gonna need a yardage. What's the yardage?
243. Take him when you're ready.
Here we go. This week we are fortunate to be hunting with the guys from Nature Blinds in South Texas, and this ranch is phenomenal. We've hunted here in years past. We've killed some great bucks. And the one thing you know for sure, when you step on this property, you have the opportunity to shoot a world-class whitetail. Time to get in the truck, head to South Texas, and maybe get a chance at a giant South Texas whitetail.